Hi everyone, myself Jyoti Prasad from Aram Engineering College. In this video, I am going to discuss about IoT platforms and middleware technologies. In that, first we are going to see about AWS IoT. So whereas coming to the interconnection of Internet of Things, we are which platforms and middleware technologies we are using means majorly the service providers are AWS, Amazon Web Services, Azure IoT, and Google Cloud IoT. So these middleware solutions for integrating IoT devices and robotics. So whereas coming to the AWS IoT, these platforms provide cloud-based infrastructure to connect and manage, analyze the IoT devices. So, coming to AWS IoT, so it provides the software that can help to integrate IoT devices into IoT cloud, IoT based solutions. Uh, what are the main core supports these protocols? What are the protocols supports this connection? Is nothing but MQTT, message queuing and telemetry transport protocol. The next version is over web socket secure, WSS. The second one is HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, LoRaWAN, Long Range Wide Area Networks. So these three types of protocol supports for Amazon Web Services IoT Core. So what these things will do, it supports devices like and clients that use this HTTPS protocol to publish messages. So AWS IoT Care for LoRaWAN helps to connect and manage wireless LoRaWAN, low power, long range, wide area network devices to IoT. So what is the purpose of this AWS IoT in industries? So it will give solutions for industrial use cases like to build predictive equality models in the industrial operations or to support predictive maintenance in industrial operations. So what will be the stock? What will be the next day inventory? What is the next day production? Likewise, the predictive maintenance in the industrial operations can be done using Amazon Web Services IoT solutions. So we are also using this AWS IoT in home automation. So it gives solutions for home automation like AWS IoT in connected home. So many devices is connected to the AWS cloud, Amazon Web Service cloud, and from that the data can be accessed. So AWS provides many cloud services to support IoT applications remotely from anywhere else. So what are all the communications we are going to support for these devices is Wi-Fi, broadband cellular, LoRaWAN, and what type of devices we are going to use in this interfacing is nothing but the microcontrollers such as Arduino and microprocessors like Raspberry Pi, and any voice interface instances, LoRaWAN, Amazon Sidewalks devices. So many interfacing devices and we are using here, and we are also using sensors like temperature and humidity sensor in home automations and actuators, whereas whether it has to open the gate or close the gate, any stepper motors or relays, we are going to make use of actuators. So here in this picture, we can see the AWS IoT architecture where the three services, device software, control services, data services has been partitioned. So various applications has been given here. AWS IoT Fleet, IoT Analytics, IoT Twin Maker, IoT Events. So Kinsys video streams. So each for each type of data services. So if we see the first one, IoT Core Device Manager. So what it will do means it is a cloud-based, fully managed test capability to validate IoT device during software development. So if we see IoT Device Defender, it is used to secure your fleet of IoT devices like vehicles, continuously audit your IoT configurations, and this IoT device defender sends an alert, and when it detects any gaps in your IoT configurations, it will create a security risk. And whereas coming to IoT device management, this service which is very helpful to track and monitor, manage the connected devices of fleets. So it also provides secure tunneling to access your device, monitor their health, detect remotely, and to troubleshoot the problems, etc. So the another type of service is Amazon Kinsey's video streams. So it allows this service allows to stream live video from devices to cloud. So durably they will be stored and encrypted and allowing to access that data whenever we want, and it is easy to use. So these streams enables to playback video for live or on-demand viewing. Live we can display the video, or whenever we are asking on-demand viewing, it will give access. The next one is IoT analytics. So IoT analytics efficiently run and operate on sophisticated analytics, which is massive volumes of unstructured IoT data, like this business, whatever the sales of the products, any supermarket, so that which type of products are getting sold hugely. So that type of unstructured data can be deal using IoT analytics. So it filters, transforms, and enriches the IoT data before storing it. So we are analyzing that data on time or schedule based using SQL query engine or machine learning. So likewise, IoT fleet wise, IoT site wise, or IoT twin maker, many type of services are there. So which will make the IoT to connect for the applications. Thank you.